This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and FaceTime is enabled. Once done, create a Memoji in Messages if you don't already have one. You do that by opening Messages, tapping the app drawer, selecting Memoji, then New Memoji. Customize skin, hair, and features. Do this now so FaceTime can access it. By preparing a Memoji and enabling FaceTime, you avoid interruptions when you start the call and can switch seamlessly. Once you're on a FaceTime video call, tap the Effects button. It looks like a star in the lower left corner. You'll see 3 sections: Filters, Text, and Memoji. Select Memoji to view your saved characters. Tap the Memoji you want and it will track your face in real time. If your expression changes, the Memoji mirrors it. Make sure the camera has clear lighting and your face is centered, because FaceTime uses facial landmarks to map features accurately for a natural result. To finish, switch Memoji on or off anytime via Effects and select None to return to your real camera. If the Memoji won't track or the option is missing, check that your iOS is up to date and FaceTime is signed in. Also improve lighting, wipe the front camera, and hold your face steady and centered. These steps fix most tracking errors. If problems persist, restart FaceTime or reboot your iPhone. That often restores the Memoji controls and clears temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.